Hey, welcome to Ball Guy Sci, and this week we're going to be doing a student's tutorial to Flipgrid. I'm going to try to get you going in 60 seconds or less, so here we go. All right, to get you going in under 60 seconds or less, we're going to cover 6 P's. The first one is you got to paste the code in flipgrid.com. The second P is press record a response. It's not actually recording yet, you're just getting things ready to go, which brings me to the next point. Okay, the third P is plan your content. Always want to plan your content before you press record so that you're not wasting time during your recording. Okay, so down here in the effects panel is where everything is you'll need to plan out your content, boards, emojis, text, all that sort of stuff. The fourth P is to take a picture of your selfie. Take a selfie, it'll upload, and then you're ready to. The fifth P is to publish that video. You're going to put in your first name and your last initial and go ahead and publish the video. Last of all, the sixth P is to participate in the conversation. So you're going to go ahead out there and you're going to comment on other people's videos. You're going to be positive and you're going to be awesome. And I hope that helped. We'll see you next time. So if you want to try this out yourself, go to flipgrid.com, put in the code BALLSCI-REMOTE, all one word, and you can check it out as a student would see it on your Flipgrid. Good luck. Hey, if you're looking for help on getting students into any of these EdTech tools, go ahead and put that down in the comments and I'll be sure to make that video for you as quickly as I can. But also, if you're looking to just up your game in EdTech, check out this playlist that's right there. Subscribe to my channel and I hope you have an awesome day.